Now is a bitch back and is a bitch bald? Yes. Did I cut my hair off again? Yes. Why? Because I felt like it. Don't look at all the scars, because all these is burn marks. Constantly doing your hair will have you looking like this. Like, we ain't gonna focus on it. But today, we got 3 6, 13, 18-inch bundles. Now, these bundles are from Ft.Ali Queen Hair, and I haven't felt or smelt these bundles yet, so let's see what that's hitting on. Now, the bundle's soft. A little bit of shedding. They don't really got to smell like, you know how like when you wash the hair with purple shampoo, that's what it kind of smell like. But, am I gonna have to tone this? I don't feel like it. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna have to, I gotta wash it. I washed them. Let's get to it. Now I'm just gonna sit these bitches in this towel, kind of wring them out. I low-key want these to air dry because these are blonde bundles, and blonde bundles are more prone to shedding and shit. I don't need all that. That genuinely blows me every day of the year, to be honest. But no though. While I'm letting these dry out, I'm going, you know. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my foundation on because I'm tired of y'all niggas asking me how to do my foundation. Like, you should know. I show y'all every video. Now, for some odd ass reason, a bitch like me never got a blonde closure. So, like, that's the thing. When I had that blonde wig, y'all seen me cut that up. I had 3, but I did hair and shit, and none of them hoes gone. So, black closure it is. Now, I just came back from the hair store. You need these are 3 main ingredients when you doing a closure quick weave. 3 main ingredients. Now, I'm just going to take 1 cap of each. You already know how that go. I'm just going to start that while y'all niggas doing whatever y'all doing, fixing y'all shit. And come on now. And don't watch my tutorial talking about your hair fucked up. Because if it come out fucked up, you didn't follow my shit. Okay, now that you got both of those on, you already know the drill. You going to want to take it. Why didn't I put on the glove? I don't know. This part don't gotta be all straight. Just make sure you got this part out. I'm usually just kind of curve it so I can avoid getting any glue on my scalp. But as long as this little strip is clear, you fine. Boom. Blow dry it, dumbass. Bathroom done, never finished painting. No. I forgot the low-key record. I forgot about you niggas. But you want to measure it? Cut it. Like, look. I'm about to put, ooh, fuck. Oh my fucking God, then this shit curling up, like. Oh my fucking God, like. Hold on. Well, this fucking track got glue all over it, but I don't give a fuck. You gonna take it, and then you just gonna... That was fucking terrible. You wanna do that? I got glue all over my shit. No. You want to put your band on. I'm already irritated because I feel like I keep doing black closures. Like, if y'all want to send me black closures, send it to me. And then your bum ass just going to want to repeat that process. Shit, you already got the closure on. Know that my shit like this, I'm about to party. Because... low-key ugly as fuck as I was expecting, but okay. And then you gonna want to flat iron it or whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it later, but right now I want to go get a smoothie, so I'm just gonna flat iron it. This is how it's looking right now. It's low-key ugly. Only because the black, but I'm gonna curl it in the next video, so. Oh my God.